Curious if these 30-pound magnetic hooks are any good or if they're crap. I can tell you for sure, they are pretty stout. I don't know if they're gonna hold 30 pounds or not. I am sure that I've made a mistake. I came up with this cool plan to do a video for you, install some lights up there, and I think my lights weigh a little too much for the amount of hardware that I have to attach these to, but there's only one way to know. Let's go give it a shot. I will tell you right now, I have no doubts that these are high quality. Question is whether my fun project is gonna actually work or not. Oh, one other thing. When you get them, they come in 2 pieces, not hard to put them together. Just thread that on there, and you should have one real stout hook. Pow! Anyway, let's go put them up, see how they work. Look, I got a ball of them. Let's go. I thought I'd come back and show you these hooks actually work fabulous for this really heavy set of lights. I connected them all up. They've actually been up for a week or two through a whole lot of crazy storms down here in Florida. So my only answer to you is the hooks absolutely worked exactly as planned. Nice and strong, durable, working well. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.